Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Bryant and Stratton College. My name is Rod Hanson. I am your instructor for our course, which is INFT 124 Computing Skills here at Bryant and Stratton College. I'm super excited to get to work with you guys this next term as we begin and embark on our journey and learning about some computer skills and getting to know each other a little bit better as we work our way and navigate ourselves through this course. This course is actually really cool. We're going to cover some great information around some basic computer skills, from software to hardware to electronic communications and how to navigate the internet. It's a great refresher course for me. It's going to be fun and exciting for you to get to learn this material and go through this course as well. A little bit about me. I am from beautiful Boise, Idaho. Please just call me Rod. I am your instructor as we go through this course. Over the next couple of weeks, I am originally went to Boise State University, so I'm a big Boise State football fan. Go Broncos, go Big Blue. I graduated from Boise State with my undergraduate degree in human resource management. And then I went on and got my master's in business administration from Northwest Nazarene University. So our family loves the outdoors. We love to go camping. We love to go fishing. We love to go skiing in the wintertime. So bring on the snow this time of year. I know it's December as we begin our course, but I am super excited to get to work with you. In the announcements, please check them out. I have provided some contact information that you can get a hold of me at if you have any questions. I have an open door policy. I am super excited to get to work with you guys. This is going to be awesome. I hope you enjoy this course and find it beneficial. Good luck, welcome to our class, and have a great day, everybody. Thank you.